Today I'm going to show you a very simple yet delicious way of preparing cauliflower. By combining a handful of simple ingredients and then letting your oven do the work, you'll be rewarded with a delightful roasted cauliflower dish. To begin, we're going to cut away the green leaves and what's left of the stem, and then we're going to remove the center. Then you want to cut the florets away from the main head and slice them into similar sized pieces. So to the cauliflower, let's drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, let's add about a teaspoon of sea salt, and we're going to add some fresh ground black pepper. And then we're going to add 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. To add a little bit of color, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. And you want to take and you want to mix that all together and make sure the cauliflower gets well coated. Now let's spread the cauliflower out on a rimmed baking sheet, and we're going to add that to a 400 Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius oven. And we're going to let that bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. And you want to stir that about the halfway point just to make sure everything gets well roasted. Once it's done, let's grate about 1/4 to a 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese over the top. And we're going to place that back in the oven and let it cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes just to get that cheese melted. These smell and taste delicious. Roasted cauliflower. It's really that easy, folks. I hope you enjoyed as much as we do. Thanks for watching.